Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome everyone again. And I hope see you soon in the class, guys. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys. Now, in page 3 in booklet, we take some things and some another we didn't take it yet. Okay, we don't take it yet. And we will complete that today. We will complete them all today. Okay, look the booklet at the end. Let's start from the book, page 28. Page 28, microscope, virus, bacteria, living things, non-living things, and like that. Let's start, guys. Okay. Now, the microscope, guys. What is the microscope? What is your idea about microscope? I want someone to tell me, guys, please. What is your idea about the microscope? What is the microscope job? What we can make with the microscope? We will eat by microscope, or we will play with the microscope like Xbox handle like that. Hey, Ahmed Mustafa, tell me please, what is the microscope job?
To see like something like the cells.
Yeah, amazing answer.
See
Yes.
the something that it's so small.
Yeah, to see the something is so small. Thanks a lot. Yeah, anyone else, guys? Anyone have another answer? Abdulaziz Naif, do you have an answer, Abdulaziz? Mustafa? Hi, Mustafa. Yes, guys. Now, thanks a lot. Okay, guys. Now, of course, the microscope, it's a machine to take a look for the organisms or for something very, very small. Okay, we have a lot of the things in our life too small. You cannot see it by your naked eye. Because that you should to be careful when you use your hand. You should to be careful. You should to be clean every time. You should to wash the fruits or vegetables before eating. Why? Because there are some things you don't see it. There are some organisms you don't see it. Maybe it will make for you diseases. Because that you should to be careful when you use these vegetables or fruits. You should to wash it at first, and also you should to wash your hands. Okay, now by this microscope we can see a lot of the small things. Now, what's the kinds of microscopes? We have different kinds. Okay, look over this huge one. This one is a very amazing, and this one it can magnifying the object 100,000 times. 100,000 times. Can you imagine? Now, if we have an object very small, this one can make it bigger for 100,000 times. Very, very, very huge. And most scientists use this one. And this one have a very big, powerful. Okay, have a very big power. Not like the other kinds of the microscopes in the laboratories or in your home. Some of students have a microscope in their homes. Okay, now you see here microscope in our laboratory in our school, but this one, of course, not like the other. Okay, this one not like the other. This one, of course, it will magnify also, but not like the other one. The other one have very big powerful, and the most scientists use it. Okay, now again, what is the microscope? I want someone to tell me, guys, please. What is the microscope? What is the microscope? Hey, Shabab, if you know, raise your hand up, please. Another one. Huh? Another one. I want all of the class to participate with me, guys, please. Huh? Where is Ahad? Where is Abdullah? Where is Abdulaziz Naif? Huh? All of the class, safe. Huh, safe. Safe.
Something small, big.
Yeah, it will make something small, big. Thanks a lot, my dear friend, safe. Thanks. Another one. Omar Abdul Hafiz. Hi, Abdul Hafiz.
Yeah.
Tell me, please, what is the microscope?
The microscope is something that we see the small organisms.
Yeah, we can see.
Small organisms.
Excellent. Yes, we can see the small organisms through it, and it will make the small organisms much bigger. Thanks a lot, my dear friend Omar. Okay, guys, let's complete return to the book. As you see here, the cells is very small because the microscope it will be the very good machine. We will use it to make the things much bigger. Okay. Okay. In the microscope, it will work like hand lens. Do you know your father's hand lens? Do you know your father when your father look over for the magazine or something like that? Okay, to really look like glasses, guys. To be like glasses. Have lens here, lens. Lens يعني عدسة. Okay, have lens. Okay, but of course the microscope not have a one lens. Of course the microscope have a different kinds of lenses. Have many lenses. Maybe sometimes 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 lenses sometimes. Okay, the many lenses we have in microscope. Okay, and the scientists use microscope much bigger than your microscope. Okay, now let's talk about the bacteria and virus. Bacteria and virus. Okay, what do you think? Bacteria is a living things or non-living things? I said bacteria is a very small. It's my opinion. It's my opinion. Bacteria is a very small, and we cannot see it. And there are a lot of life functions for bacteria because that bacteria will be non-living things. What do you think? If you agree with me, yes, mister, this is non-living things, write on the chat 1. If you tell me non-living things, write 1. Okay, if you tell me living things, okay, you tell me 2. ها يا شباب 1 or 2. يلا. Just one time, Adam. خلاص, Adam. We are not playing, guys. We are not playing. Just one time, please. ها معاذ. Another one. عبد العزيز. Excellent. مصطفى. كويس. ها. Where are the others? Just one time يا عبد الله. خلاص. محمود رياض. Excellent يا محمود. Very good. ها مصطفى زياد. Excellent يا مصطفى. Another one. Yeah, where are the others? Excellent. Ahmed Mustafa. Excellent. Okay. That's enough. Okay, guys. Now, okay. If you take a look for this question. Now, bacteria is non-living things. Some of you tell me, of course, no, mister, that's living things. Why? Let's take Mahmoud Riyad to tell us why. Yes, Mahmoud.
Yes.
How are you, Huda? عامل ايه? Yeah, I'm really happy to hear you. Yeah, I'm really happy to hear your voice. Why you tell me that bacteria is living things? Why is that living things?
We can't see it.
Anything we can see it will be living things?
In microscope.
Anything we can see it by microscope, it will be living things?
Yes.
Thanks a lot, my dear Mahmoud. Yeah, I'm really happy to hear your voice. Yes, I'm really happy. Thanks a lot, ya Huda. شكرا يا حودة. Another one, guys. Yeah, another one. Yes, عبد الحفيظ خاصة شباب. أنا عايز واحد تاني بالله. عبد الله الميمني. عبد الله الميمني. Yes, عبد الله. لا, I want عبد الله. I want عبد الله. عبد الله الميمني. Yes, عبد الله. I can't hear you well. يا عبد الله. بس يا عمر. عبد الله الميمني. عبد الله, where are you? I can't hear you, عبد الله. Okay, guys. Now, I don't give you the answer now. Let's completely talk about virus. Now, I said the bacteria. Someone of you told me bacteria is living. Someone other told me bacteria is not living. We will see. Let's complete talk about virus. What about virus? What do you think? I think, of course, virus living things. Virus can make diseases. Virus can make corona nowadays. It will kill a lot of bodies nowadays. نسأل الله العافية. Now this is the virus. Now virus is living things. What do you think? You agree with me or not? If you agree with me, yes, of course, that is a living things. Write on the chat, please. Yes, true. 1. If you think that is non-living things, write 2. Non-living things. 1 or 2. Excellent. Just one time, guys. One time يا معاذ. One time يا معاذ. One time. عبد الله one time يا عبد الله. خلاص. محمود رياض. Excellent يا محمود. Okay. Lawrence. Lawrence. Where are you, my friend? Stop. Okay, I want Lawrence. Raise your hand, please, Lawrence. Raise your hand, please, Lawrence. Yeah, raise your hand, please. I can't see you. Where are you, my friend? Yes. Hey, Lawrence, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you, my friend? Where are you? I didn't hear your voice today. How's it going with you? Are you good? Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. What do you think? A virus is a living or non-living?
Living.
Thanks a lot, my friend Lawrence. Let's explain, guys. Bacteria and virus. At first, you should to say Subhanallah. When you think about bacteria and virus and two small organism, and you cannot see it by normal microscope. We want a powerful microscope to see it. And nowadays, the bacteria and the virus kill hundreds of people every day. Every day. You should to say, Subhanallah. How would that work? How would that can kill the body? Can kill human body? Okay, look over, guys. What is the difference between bacteria and virus? First of all, bacteria is living things. Virus is non-living things. Bacteria is living things. Virus is non-living things. Why? Why? Because, guys, bacteria can reproduce without body. When we have a bacteria outside, I have a picture of bacteria. Look over. That is the picture for bacteria. Okay, can you see that, guys? That is the bacteria, have a DNA, have a flagell, and this is the bacteria. That is the bacteria, okay? Now, the bacteria can reproduce. How the bacteria reproduce? Can cut itself, okay, to make two, okay? And two, it will be four, okay? Four, it will be eight, and like that. Now, can reproduce. But if we take the virus, for example, when the virus outside of the body, that is the shape of the virus, guys. That is the shape of the virus. Okay, the virus cannot reproduce without body. It should to enter to the human body to make a reproduce. When the virus enter to the human body, now it can reproduce. Okay, but outside of the body cannot. Because that the virus, it will be non-living things. But the bacteria, it will be living things. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this part. Now, bacteria is a living things, but virus is non-living things because of the reproduce. What another different? Bacteria, guys, if you have a diseases from the bacteria, you can take the antibiotic. And the antibiotic, it will kill the bad bacteria in your body. But virus, no, we cannot use antibiotic. And that is the very big problem nowadays, guys. Do you know, guys, why nowadays we have a lot of people die because of the coronavirus? Because there are no medicine. No medicine. The scientists try to use antibiotic with the virus corona, but that's not work. Not why? Because that's a virus, not bacteria. Not bacteria. Do we have another different? Yes. Some of bacteria is a good bacteria. Okay, it's like raw. You like milk, like raw milk. We have a milk. Inside the milk, some kind of milks, we have bacteria. This is the good bacteria. We have good bacteria inside, okay? And inside your body, you have some good bacteria also, guys, okay? But of course, not all the bacteria will be good bacteria. Some of them good, some of them bad. Two kinds. Some of them good, some of them bad. But virus, no. All of virus make diseases and very bad. All of virus make diseases and very bad. Okay, guys? Now, that's the difference between bacteria and virus. Any questions? Questions. Yeah, ask a question, please. محمد أشرف, ask حبيب قلبي, تفضل.
I have a question.
Mister,
Wait يا أحمد, wait. Yes, محمد, تفضل.
Mister, do the bacteria kill the virus sometimes or not?
No. No. The virus will be something and bacteria will be another thing. No. Okay. Thanks a lot, يا محمد. Thanks a lot. Yes, Omar. I have a question, Omar.
Mister,
Yes.
but how the bacteria is non-living things?
I don't say that, Habib Alvi. I said bacteria is living things. Bacteria, this is the bacteria. Yeah, how it's living things?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this one have a lot of the functions. A lot of the, do you know the 5 basic functions? Do you know the, yeah, it can reproduce. The bacteria can reproduce.
How?
You will take it in grade 8 or grade 9. I can't tell you now how the bacteria can make reproduce. But I mean reproduce, I mean... Look over here, Omar. Don't interrupt me, Omar. You ask me, right? Listen, wait.
Yeah, but I don't understand.
I'm explaining, Habibi. Let me to explain. Let me to explain, please. Can I explain?
Okay.
Thanks. Don't interrupt me, please. Listen. Now, bacteria reproduce by dividing. One bacteria dividing to be 2 bacteria. 2 dividing to be 4 bacteria. Okay? It will happen outside of the body. Now it may reproduce. But virus, no. The virus cannot reproduce outside of the body. خلاص يا عمر?
I don't understand of the virus.
Ask me a question. Which kind you don't understand? Now I tell you, this reproduce by dividing.
The virus, I don't understand it.
The virus cannot make reproduce outside of the body. What does it mean?
Why?
And listen.
Listen.
We have virus. Okay? The virus outside of the body cannot make reproduce. Don't say for me why. Why? That's the properties of virus. That's the characteristic of virus. دي خصائص الفيروس.
يعني المفروض الفيروس يدخل جوه الجسم عشان يعمل ريبروديوس.
ايوه بالظبط كده، مظبوط.
يعني الفيروس يقدر يعمل ريبروديوس.
Yes, inside the body, not outside. خلاص؟ ماشي يا عمر؟
The virus of corona, how is it's come a lot of body of
because it can enter through the body from one to another, okay, and make it reproduce inside the body. ماشي يا عمر? Thanks a lot for asking, Amr. Thanks a lot.
No, I don't understand this.
I'm sorry, Amr. I can't explain more, Amr. I have another students to ask me. I'm sorry, Amr. Okay, yes, another one, guys. Another one. Open your booklet, page 3, and answer them all by yourself in 2 minutes. نعم يا حبيبي. Okay, guys, now in 2 minutes, in just 2 minutes, answer page 3 with your own, with yourself. Okay, and we'll answer with you after 2 minutes. يلا شباب. Now, answer page 3, all of the class. If you have finished it, okay, no problem. If you have finished it, no problem. If you have finished it, raise your hand up. يا شباب 1 minute more. Excellent محمود, excellent يا زايد, سيف, عبد الهادي, عبد الله, عمر, معاذ, كمال. Excellent. Yeah, Burhan, mashallah. Excellent. Yalla shabab, where are the others? Where are the others? Answer your questions, please. Yeah, good job, guys. Good job, guys. Excellent. Good job. Lawrence, where is your answers, yeah, Lawrence? Why you don't answer? Answer the questions, please, yeah, Lawrence. Answer the questions, booklet page 3. Okay? Excellent. Okay, guys, I will answer with you quickly, guys. I know all of you know the answers, but I don't have more time. That is the answer for first question. Check your answers, please. Check your answers, please. That's the answers for the first question. Organism, tissue, organ system, cell wall. The second one, cell. All cells are the same, of course. No, they are different. Root cells do not make food. Yes, of course. And they have chloroplast. No, the roots don't have chloroplast. Microscope is needed to see the cells, of course. Bacteria are the biggest cells. No, it will be the smallest cell. It's made up of just one cell, and it will be the smallest organism. Microscope work like magnifying. Magnifying, guys, it means to make it bigger. It means magnifying. Magnifying, it means the object to make it bigger and bigger and bigger. بالعربي يعني تكبير. Magnifying. Magnifying glass by making small things look much bigger. Yes, of course. Okay, and here, guys, that's very clear to realize that this one is plant cell and the other one is animal cell. Okay, guys, that is the difference between both. Okay, and this one is like box and the other one like a round circle. خلاص? Okay, guys, now I want someone to read. I hope you check your answers. Let's return back to the book. I need someone to read, guys. Read the book. I want someone to read the book, guys. I want someone to read the book. أحمد مصطفى. أحمد مصطفى. ها يا أبو حميد اتفضل اقرأ.
Okay, wait, mister, I will bring the book.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Bring your book. Okay, يا معاذ. ريد يا معاذ. ريد يا معاذ قبل ما صاحبك يجيب الكتاب. اتفضل يا معاذ.
Mister, I want to ask a question.
Ask a question. اتفضل.
Mister, virus is living thing.
Okay, why?
Because my mother tell me that the virus, when it come to our body, it will not be one only. It will be many.
Yeah, okay, but in general, look over. No problem.
Reproduce.
I said that for your friend. In general, virus is non-living things because it cannot make reproduce and don't have the 5 basic functions. But inside the body, listen. Inside the body, it will be different. Maybe inside the body it will be living things. But in general, virus non-living things. Virus non-living things. خلاص? Thanks a lot. Yes, يا أحمد read. I'm sorry يا معاذ to read. يلا يا أحمد تفضل.
Some things are too small to see with your eyes only. Most cells are that tiny bacteria.
Tiny. Tiny means very small. Yes, tiny. Yes.
Tiny bacteria are the smallest cells of all.
Yeah, amazing. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. I need someone else, guys. Safe. Can you read the safe? Safe. Yeah, read, please. Complete microscope.
Use a microscope. A microscope works like a hand, then it makes small things look much bigger. The microscope scientists use are a lot more powerful than the ones you use. Some can make a cell look hundreds of thousands of times larger.
Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. The last one, guys. Thanks a lot, Saif. Adam Islam. Yes, Adam. Yeah, complete Adam.
The telescope of scientists used
Microscope, you mean microscope. Microscope is also used for.
microscopes are also used to study Viruses are even smaller than cells. Viruses cannot reproduce on their own. Instead, they force the living things.
Okay, thanks a lot, my dear friend. Thanks a lot for all of you guys, and I hope see you soon, guys. If you have another question, don't be late to ask me in any time in WhatsApp, okay? And thanks million for all the students make for me the activities. It's really make me happy, guys. Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, يلا شباب مع السلامة. I will open your microphone. مع السلامة شباب. مع السلامة.
Teacher.
نعم. Ask me. You can ask me now. السلام عليكم.
Bye.
Mister.
Bye.
Goodbye, guys.